Hi, I'm just gonna be sitting here. I'm gonna mix all these up, solve them, and just talk gibberish. So I feel like I should talk more in these videos and talk to you guys because I feel like I don't do that as much. I also kind of don't always know what to talk about, so thank you for 100 subscribers. I already said thank you for that, but I'm just saying it again because I really appreciate it. Currently on the road to 1,000. I hope I get 1,000. To be honest, what YouTuber doesn't, you know? Alright, they're all mixed up. Alright, so I'm gonna solve this one next, and this, and then that one last. If you guys want a video on me explaining how I solved this, let me know. One side, done. Second row is done. Alright. Done. Alright, this one's next. Top layer is done. So like, I want to do other stuff on this channel. I've been coming up with ideas myself, but I'd like some other ideas. I've been thinking about showing you guys different things on my Nintendo Switch because I want to start making gaming videos. So I want to get that kind of started, you know. I remember in high school when I used to play with these all the time when I was 17. Alright, second layer is done. Now last layer, cross. I fucked up. Alright, there we go. There we go, it's fixed. There we go. Done. Completely solved. It's the black stickers on it that does it for me. It's what makes it a little bit harder. Alright, last one. This is my favorite one. If I ever go out in public and don't want to get bored, I'd probably bring this, even though I haven't done that ever. Alright, first two layers are done. Alright, last layer. Done. So, yeah, I chose to do YouTube because, like, I don't want to do anything else with my life. I hate working. I fucking hate working. That's why I've been trying to get subscribers on here so I can make a living off of this. So I can tell the system to fuck off. I am still looking for a job, though. But one day I want to make this my job. I just gotta be consistent, you know, 2, maybe 3, 4 videos a week from me, you'll see. If not every single day. I might post mostly every day, but not every day. Some days I'll be like, oh, I want to be consistent with it. Because I record on my phone now, and not my camera. Well, I don't know where my camera is. Probably in my car, but anyways, do this thing for me right here in front of my face. It's either right here, or right here. I don't know. It's somewhere right here. All right, bye.